Xiaomi first launched the MIJIA WalkingPad in 2019, in collaboration with WalkingPad. The company released several models of the MIJIA WalkingPad treadmill, and later on WalkingPad continued releasing products without the MIJIA branding. Xiaomi has now released a new generation of MIJIA WalkingPad Armrest version. The product was officially launched on Thursday, September 8 in China. It is presently up for pre-orders for 1,399 yuan or $201. The product is expected to go on sale on September 15th. According to official data, the Xiaomi MIJIA WalkingPad Armrest Edition uses an integrated carbon steel alloy bar, which is capable of supporting high loads, is very stable and durable. Furthermore, this pad does not need to be assembled when the product arrives, but it is already assembled as it can be easily folded and stored by pulling the lock down. The appearance of the safety handle is also stable and comfortable, and unlike the original version, the new model of the MIJIA WalkingPad is equipped with touch buttons, which can be operated with a click. We also find a new high brightness dot matrix LED type display that shows the speed value during exercise, as well as showing the usage time and calories burned in real time. The MIJIA WalkingPad Armrest version uses a carbon steel alloy integrated armrest that can bear a heavy load and is stable and durable. The device retains the foldable appearance for which previous models are known. It does not need to be installed when it is unboxed after purchase. It can be easily folded and stored by pulling the lock. Also, the safety handle appearance is stable and comfortable. In addition, the armrest version of the MIJIA treadmill is equipped with a touch panel for controlling the device. The display is a high brightness LED dot matrix display, which can display the exercise speed value, time, and calories burned in real time. In terms of core power, the MIJIA WalkingPad Armrest version is equipped with a brushless motor with a running speed of 6 km per hour, and a load-bearing capacity of 110 kg. In other respects, the new Armrest version has a compact body, covers an area of 0.8 square meters, has a softer movement sound, and supports a connection to the MIJIA app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Also, do not forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and see you soon.